everyone. Today I welcome you all for G.C.E English Academy. Okay, number 4 criteria would be the cohesion. You know that the cohesion what would be? So we call it as logically connected each of the sentences with cohesive devices. Now let's say that the cohesion. So then you should manage your sentences with each of these cohesive devices. When you consider with cohesive devices such as the similarly, on the other hand, and moreover, and you have to go through all of these with go along with the comma while you are writing, so that actually you can make that these cohesive devices to manage your cohesive manner of writing.
Contact us for inquiries via WhatsApp 0768632275. Call 207-166-563-5.